Instead of merely submitting herself to the process and actually appearing before the upper chamber, the embattled Bamban mayor is choosing to ignore the arrest order and is hoping to appeal for the understanding of senators, a ploy that, from what the Senate leader indicated, will not work and will also not resolve the problems being further compounded by the local chief executive's decision to remain in hiding. Daniel Manalastas has more.
Suspended Mayor Alice Guo wrote to Senate President Francis Escudero asking for a little understanding and compassion. Guo has yet to be found despite the arrest order by the Senate issued against her. After skipping probe, Guo also apologized for what she perceives as miscommunication. She clarified she does not intend to impose her wishes on or lecture the Senate on what they need to do. Guo hopes she'll be given a chance to defend herself in a proper forum. But Escudero responded,
Pagaman naunawaan ko, yung pag-unawang hinihingi niya, hanggat hindi siya nagpapakita at sumusunod sa Senado, ay hindi ko matatanggap ang anumang pakiusap na hinihiling niya dun sa kanyang liham. Kaugnay hindi lamang sa pag-unawa, pero para matulungan din yung kanyang mga kababayan. Dahil meron naman pumalit sa kanyang vice mayor para ipagpatuloy ang trabaho ng pamahalaan sa Banban.
Escudero also sees no reason to stop the Senate investigation.
Walang dahilan para hindi magpatuloy yun dahil garantiya din yun na may sasakatuparan ang sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos kahapon sa SONA na banned na ang pogo at magwa-wind down na lamang yung mga nananatiling legal na pogo na, kung di ako nagkakamali, kulang na sa 40 o 40 hanggang sa katapusan ng taon para makahanap o mahanapan ng trabaho yung maapekto ang mga Pilipino. Tingin ko pati siya'y naguguluhan sa kanyang kasalukuyang sitwasyon. Mahirap din naman siguro malagay sa ganitong bingit ng sentro ng atensyon ng bawat ahensya ng pamahalaan.
Meanwhile, regarding the issue on gambling, Senate President Escudero said if we will prohibit gambling in the country, we might as well prohibit them all. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.